the leafy sea dragon, and the weedy sea dragon. These enchanting creatures are innate romantics, engaging in one of the most intricate courtship rituals in the animal kingdom, a mesmerizing mating dance. Sea dragons spend most of their day drifting in the currents, like seaweed, and feasting on small shrimp-like crustaceans. But they make sure to reunite during the twilight hours and engage in a synchronized display. Mirroring each other's movements. As the breeding season approaches, the female produces eggs. For 3 or 4 days, the couple perform their intricate duet. But really, it's a test. Unlike male seahorses, which carry their eggs in a pouch, the male sea dragon has a spongy patch on the underside of his tail, which the female sticks her eggs to. Transferring eggs underwater is a tricky business and takes a lot of teamwork to get right. In showing off his dance skills, which also aid in the egg transfer, the male is looking to prove that he is up to the task. Satisfied that he has the right moves, their bodies intertwine, and the female attaches hundreds of bright pink eggs to her mate's brood patch. With gentle care, the male fertilizes the eggs and cradles them for up to 6 weeks, providing vital oxygen and protection. Sea dragons often return to the same partner, producing several broods together. These carefully tended eggs are ready to hatch. Hundreds of baby sea dragons emerge, prepared to find their own way in the world.